This is the summary of pages 115 through 125, and I like to call this the grand plan. So basically, Montag begins to leave the town with the help of being tuned into the town's radio station. This is exactly right after the fact that he kills Beatty, he knocks the two firemen unconscious, and he also destroys the mechanical hound. So he's walking through town, and he's obviously hurt. His leg has been stabbed by the needle of the mechanical hound, so he's trying his best to look normal. He ends up cleaning up at a gas station. He almost gets run over by a beetle with children that were just wanting to have a good time. And Montag finally gets to a coworker's home, Mrs. Black, Mr. and Mrs. Black, and he plants one of his books in their home, and he calls in the alarm from a nearby photo booth to try to get to frame the Mr. Black, one of the firemen that he used to work with. He finally gets to Faber's home, and Montag, of course, is crying, really upset as to what happened with Beatty, but he basically looks for Faber for hope. He even gives Faber money because he really thinks that he's going to die. And then Faber does instruct Montag, but we end the reading there. So please enjoy the reading and take time to read pages 115 through 125.